Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Jessica Howell and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to get this wet look or scrunch straight out of the shower. It is such a quick and simple hair tutorial for those days that you're running late, needing to do something with your hair straight out of the shower. I'm going to be layering a ton of these products from Aveda. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. The first product that I'm going to use is this daily hair repair. You use it when you get out of the shower and it protects against so many harmful things that happen to your hair without you even knowing it. So once we run that product through our hair, we're gonna go in with this Be Curly Style Prep. This is gonna help your curls kind of come through and it is going to be an all-day frizz control. I'm gonna take 3 pumps and I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna flip my head upside down and I'm just gonna scrunch it all through my hair just so I can evenly distribute it throughout all of it. And this way it'll give it some volume as well. The last thing we're gonna go in with is a styling foam, and this is going to help add shine and weightless volume for fine to medium hair. So the layering of all of these products is what is going to keep our hair looking wet and fresh throughout the day. So when your hair completely dries, it's going to still look slightly damp. All of this texture and all of this lift. As you guys could see it, this is a very quick, effortless hairstyle for on the go. If you wake up late, really need to wash your hair, get out of the shower, this is something that you can do very quickly and it's going to hide all of the frizz, tame down your flyaways, and still create a very voluminous look. So that is it for this wet hair look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Aveda's YouTube channel for more. I had such a pleasure working with Aveda and sharing with you guys some of my tips and tricks. Thanks again, Aveda, and thank you for watching this video. And until next time, bye guys.